Hey there, fellow homeowners and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance errors in simple, straightforward ways. Today, we're diving into the LG air conditioner error code CH61 from 2025 models. If your AC is flashing this code and leaving you in a sweat, don't panic. We're here to guide you through it step by step. First off, what exactly is error code CH61? In LG air conditioners, CH61 typically signals a problem with the indoor unit's fan motor or a communication error between the indoor and outdoor units. This could be due to a few common issues, like a faulty sensor, wiring problems, or even dust and debris buildup that's causing the system to malfunction. It's LG's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Now, let's get to the good part, troubleshooting. Start by ensuring your AC unit is properly powered. Turn it off at the circuit breaker, wait about 5 minutes, and then turn it back on. This simple reset can often clear temporary glitches. Next, check for any visible obstructions around the indoor fan, like dirt or blocked vents. If you're handy, inspect the wiring connections inside the unit, but remember to unplug everything first for safety. If the error persists, it might be a deeper issue, such as a defective fan motor or a sensor failure. In that case, you'll want to consult your LG user manual for model-specific advice or reach out to a certified technician. Trying DIY fixes on electrical components can be risky, so always prioritize your safety. Wrapping this up, understanding error code CH61 can save you time and money. By following these steps, you might resolve the issue yourself, but if not, professional help is just a call away. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay cool, everyone, we'll see you in the next one.